Yvebelize. Welcome back. Welcome back. Today, look what we're doing today. I have braids in my hair. My hair was stretched with my dryer, and to sleep, I decided to just braid them up. This is usually what I do at night when I feel like braids. This also keeps my hair stretched. So I have these little rods at the end of my hair. These are very good just to get the little curls going. You don't have to sleep with these. You put these in maybe about for half an hour and it managed to curl the ends of your hair. I am wearing a silk scarf. This is very huge. I got this from Kate Spade, New York. So yeah, we're going to undo these braids and see what kind of length and what kind of fluffiness we get out of this braid out on stretched hair. Let's grow. So I took out all my rods, and as you can see, we have curls at the ends. So they should come out really pretty. Take your time and separate the hair wherever it wants to be separated. Let me say this, I am in amazement. I really don't have anything in my hair. My hair is very moisturized. You see how easily it's gliding off my fingers? The only thing that I put in my hair before I braided my hair up, it already had oil from me blow drying. And when I say I put a teeny bit of mousse, it was such a little dab on each braid that it's not even worth mentioning because I didn't want my hair to have any type of a hole. But I am amazed. Did you see we went from braids to poof? And I'm thinking I should pick my hair up. What do you think we should do? Pick not to pick. Pick not to pick. But look at the hair though. And I've been getting rave reviews about these earrings, so that's why I put them on for you. Look. I actually got these earrings at Shein over a year ago. I don't even remember how much I paid for them, but they were not expensive. They were less than $10. I love these earrings, but let's talk about this hair though. This might be my new favorite hairstyle. Look at this. Look at this. I am thinking it's already huge and I didn't pick it out. All I did was undo the braids. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. And I have definition coming through. And it's long. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I think it's so pretty. If you're in the cold climate, this is the perfect way to wear your hair. It's no fuss, and frizz would be at a minimal because it's cold outside, so it would really hold. Now, if I was to go outside with this in my temperature, it's warm here, and I don't really have anything holding my hair would just get really huge and maybe it would shrink up, but it would be big. I love big hair. Big hair is beautiful. Natural hair is beautiful. I'm still debating if I should pick out my hair. Ooh. Well, I'm deciding if I should pick this hair out or not. I want to welcome 3 new members. Let's talk about it with Anita. I see you, girlfriend. Thank you so much. I love you, sis. Yo, it's your boy Leo. Thank you. I see you, honey. And it's me, Wanston. Thank you so much, honey, for becoming a girlfriend. I love y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I think I'm gonna skip making this hair any bigger because I think it looks fabulous. If you like the video, share the video, and Eve will see you in the next video.